Your home's exterior is a canvas waiting to be transformed, and landscaping is the brush that can paint a beautiful first impression. Curb appeal isn't just about impressing the neighbors. It's about creating a welcoming atmosphere for you and your guests, and increasing your property's value. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore innovative landscaping ideas that will elevate your home's curb appeal to new heights. 1. Plan with purpose. Before you dive into the world of landscaping, it's essential to have a clear plan in place. Consider your home's architecture, your personal style, and your budget. Here are some planning tips. Research and inspiration. Spend time browsing magazines, websites, or social media platforms for landscaping ideas that resonate with you. Create a mood board or a scrapbook to organize your thoughts. Budget wisely. Determine your budget and allocate it to different aspects of your landscaping project. Decide where you want to invest more and where you can cut costs without compromising on quality. Think long-term. Consider the long-term maintenance of your landscape. Low-maintenance designs can save you time and money in the future. 2. A welcoming walkway. Your front walkway is the path to your home, so make it an inviting one. Here are some creative walkway ideas. Pavers and stepping stones. Replace or upgrade your plain concrete walkway with pavers or stepping stones. These materials come in various colors and designs to suit your style. Garden embedded path. Create a walkway that meanders through your garden, surrounded by colorful flowers and lush greenery. Lighting effects. Install pathway lighting to guide guests to your front door, especially if your landscaping extends into the evening hours. 3. Lush landscaping with native plants. A well-planned garden is the heart of curb appeal. Native plants are a smart choice as they thrive in your local climate and require less maintenance. Consider these options. Perennials. Choose perennial flowers like peonies, coneflowers, and daylilies for year-round color and easy care. Trees and shrubs. Plant small trees and shrubs strategically to frame your home, provide shade, and add depth to your landscape. Ground covers. Ground covers like creeping thyme or sedum can add texture and fill in spaces between larger plants. 4. The power of hardscaping. Incorporate hardscape features to add structure and style to your landscape. Retaining walls. A well-designed retaining wall not only serves a functional purpose, but can also be a striking focal point. Fountains and water features. The soothing sound of running water from a fountain or a pond can create a tranquil atmosphere in your front yard. Outdoor seating. Consider adding a bench or a cozy seating area to make your front yard an inviting place to relax. 5. Colorful container gardens. Don't limit your garden to the ground. Container gardens can add an extra layer of color and texture to your landscape. Porch planters. Flank your front door with large planters filled with seasonal flowers or evergreen shrubs. Window boxes. Add charm to your windows with window boxes filled with cascading flowers or trailing vines. Hanging baskets. Hang baskets of colorful flowers from your porch or along the eaves of your home. 6. Frame your home with fencing. A well-chosen fence can provide privacy, security, and aesthetic value. Traditional picket fence. For a classic Americana feel, install a white picket fence along your front yard. Modern privacy screen. Opt for sleek and contemporary fencing options like horizontal slats or metal panels for a modern look. Natural borders. Use shrubs or hedges as living fences to create a natural boundary while maintaining an open feel. 7. A burst of color at the front door. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. Make it pop with these ideas. Bold paint color. Choose a striking paint color for your front door that complements your home's exterior. Seasonal wreaths. Hang seasonal wreaths or decorations on your front door to add a personal touch. Symmetrical flanking. Frame your front door with matching potted plants or decorative lanterns. 8. Outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting not only enhances safety, but also adds a magical touch to your landscape. Pathway lights. Guide your guests with low-voltage pathway lights along your walkway. Uplighting. Illuminate trees or architectural features with uplights for a dramatic effect. 9. Sustainable landscaping. Consider eco-friendly landscaping practices that benefit both your home and the environment. Rain gardens. Design a rain garden to capture and manage stormwater runoff while supporting native plants. Drought-tolerant plants. Select drought-tolerant plants to reduce the need for excessive watering. Compost and mulch. Use compost and mulch to improve soil quality, conserve moisture, and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. 10. Maintenance matters. Finally, regular maintenance is key to preserving your curb appeal. Pruning and trimming. Keep your plants well maintained by pruning and trimming as needed to promote healthy growth. Weeding. Regularly weed your garden to prevent unwanted intruders from taking over. Seasonal updates. Update your landscaping with seasonal flowers and decor to keep it fresh and inviting. Creating a welcoming curb appeal is an art that combines creativity, planning, and a touch of nature's beauty. Your home's exterior should reflect your personality and provide a warm welcome to all who approach it. With these innovative landscaping ideas, you can transform your front yard into a captivating and inviting space that leaves a lasting impression. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your gardening gloves, and let your home's exterior shine with newfound charm and allure.